Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's K.monae, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this wig I colored. This color is bomb, y'all. I'm trying to edit the video of me actually dyeing it here, but I'm having some difficulty saving the video to my iCloud, and it's aggravating me, but it's taking too long for me to save it. So I have to get this video up. It's just killing me looking at it in my gallery. I gotta post it. So this one's gonna go up first. Once I get the other one on how I dyed it together and edit it, then that'll be up next. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what y'all think about this color. At first she wanted to do it was a light, no, she wanted to do pink and yellow. She wants to do orange and yellow, and they didn't have yellow, so I told her to do pink and orange because I just thought about Dora's outfit, and I don't know, it came out cute and it's really cute. Make sure y'all watch this whole video on how I installed this wig. It is a frontal wig, and the wig was already made. It was blonde. She ordered it, and all I did was color it and styled it. I curled it and everything before I put it on her head, and then I just installed it. So yeah, watch me install this wig, y'all. This color came out so cute. I amazed myself, and I just had to record it because when she came to me with the color, I'm like, this is something I have to post. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I won't be talking through this whole video. You could just watch, and make sure y'all like this video, y'all, and make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.